Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have again another unboxing and first impressions video. This time a Timex, and for me what you can see here, we can see the reference number, but I don't think that's the correct one. The correct one is TW2U83700. This might be the Timex number, but I'll keep it on so you can write it down. I'll just leave everything also in the comment and the description below. And here we have the box. Another box. So Timex is a well brand in the affordable watch segment, and they make really great watches, I have to say, with the prices. By the way, great watches. I'm wearing my dream dress watch that I've been waiting for a long time now, the Rick TW2U83700. So one of 71 pieces only. Definitely proud to wear it. Got I ordered now a new strap for the watch, one Stingray, which will come maybe in the next 2-3 weeks, and I'm thinking about ordering another one, a crocodile strap from ABB Paris Concept. They have an offer now until the end of April. Maybe this video will be out before that, so be sure to check out the review video. If I get the straps before the review video, I'll make them. So here we have the Timex in question, this TW2U83700, which is actually an automatic watch. So it's the Waterbury traditional automatic, and they're paying homage to this original time collection from Waterbury Watch Company from 1880, and it has a robust, accurate 21 joule automatic movement. So you might see the Timex quartz. So here is the reference number. The price is 269. I found it on Amazon for 169 euros. So that's a great price, I think, for an automatic watch. And I want to test it out. So that's why I got it, to test it out and to see if I will keep it or send it back. This is one of the watches that I'm really thinking about keeping it, because Timex, I had always good experience with Timex. Even though I bought them at list price, I was able to sell them back at list price, and I was able to recuperate my money. So for me, it's a no-lose situation. Take all the stickers off, take the thing from the buckle as well, so we don't have to be bugged with it. And we can close the box now. So here we have the watch. Get the thumbnail. And yeah, so let's get down to the specifications. It has a 38 millimeter lug width, diameter. Actually, it tells me here that it's 39 actually. So I think it's 39 because on the website it said 38, but it has a 46.36 lug to lug, so it's 46.5, thickness of 12.7, and lug width of 20 millimeters. It has silver hands, silver indices, as you can see, they play in the light, silver dial, 10 bar water resistance, so 100 meters of water resistance, see-through caseback, as you can see, automatic, the reference number, number of the movement, 100 meters water resistant, and you can see the movement. Basically what seems to be a Miyota to me. Yeah, I feel that's a Japanese Miyota. Yep, that's Miyota. So a hard working movement. You have mineral glass in front and in the back, so mineral glass. And on this supplied strap, it is 66 grams. And you have here hacking, hand winding, non-hacking movement. And let's see. Oh, very smooth in changing the time. The date changed at 12. The day changes at 3 o'clock. That's quite normal, I guess, for this kind of watches. 10. And you have a minute track around the dial. Watches has a finished couple of finishes. So I have here brushed finish. You have here polished between the bezel and the case, and then you have on the case side up, you have brushed as well. Crown is small, but you have at least here emblem of, I don't think that's Timex emblem. I think that's this Canterbury Waterbury traditional. So you have here the W. Let me try to, yeah, Waterbury WOW. And the strap is actually very supple, very soft, with quick set spring bars. So let me try it out on my wrist. So by the way, I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist. So you know how the whole watch would look like on your wrist. Here's the strap. Close it. And as you can see here on my wrist, on the side, it's a little bit thick, to be honest. And I think for 169 euros, that's a great price. I have to say, this and the Orient I also reviewed or unboxed later before a couple of weeks are really good. So be sure to check out both videos. Maybe I'll do a video with both together, this Timex and the Orient. Still have the Orient here before I send it back, because I think they both offer a lot of great stuff. This one offers even more because it has loom, so you have looms on the hand, so it's even usable at night. The Orient, on the other hand, doesn't have any looms on the hand, so it's not so usable at night. But anyways, guys, tell me what you think about this watch, the Waterbury Automatic Timex. Really cool watch. So this is an invitation to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and hopefully see you in the next one. See you, everybody. And of course, if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.